Dr. Sutherland?
Thank you. I have a couple questions of Ms. McBride. First of all, I understand that we need to have this map looked at with a magnifying glass. And I understand that, isn't it true that the motion as it now sits, if voted positively, would protect any potential errors, and if there was retrogression or anything else, it would be brought back? Is that right?
I'd have to be refreshed on what the motion was.
Can you read the motion?
Steve, can you read the motion back? Bertha, could you repeat the motion, please?
I can repeat it. Basically, it was to adopt 9K
Revised.
revised with the condition that if there were any major differences or differences between the demographers concerning District 3, that those be fixed by the demographers, both parties.
Yeah, we used your language on that. Okay, so I'm looking for a positive or negative statement about whether this map and that motion will guarantee that the map follows the law.
The motion, as I understand it, only addresses District 3.
No, it does
no.
not.
Okay.
The motion, no, the motion was that we would adopt 9K revised with the proviso that it would be reviewed by the demographer, and if necessary, any problems would be brought back to the board at the next meeting.
Yes, concerning District 3.
It wasn't concerning District 3, it was concerning anything. Well, it is what he said.
Did you get the answer you were looking for?
I don't think I got the answer I'm looking for.
Have clarification on what his motion was, because she says it's one thing, he says it's, yeah, that's
Okay,
what
so
I'm
it's only
saying.
going to include District 3? Well, then, I want the whole map looked at carefully.
To
And
make
if
sure
it-
that it's accurate with the other one?
To make sure that it fits, it meets the requirements of the Civil Rights Act. And by the way, there's a lot of court cases that came after 1965. If you go through them, you'll find there's a lot of changes,
Four changes.
not just four.
No, four. Here's in here.
Okay, so then my question is, will this guarantee that after the whole thing is done and it's been scrutinized and we've, if necessary, looked at it again, that it meets it meets the Civil Rights Act?
Well, and the reason why I can't say a yes or no is it may require tweaking that may not be to the plaintiff's liking, making it look a little bit more like 9K. So, I mean, we can bring back a map that we tweak that meets the Voting Rights Act, but I'm not for sure that we are not going to be right back here having similar arguments about who's right and who's wrong.
Okay.